How to enable speakerphone on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down until you find and tap on Touch under the Physical and Motor section. On the Touch Settings page, scroll down and tap on Call Audio Routing as shown. This determines where audio will be heard during a phone call or FaceTime audio. Here, change the settings from automatic to speaker to set it as the default audio output for all calls. Following these steps, you can easily enable speakerphone on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.